And good morning. Today we see the subscript and superscript in Word. Now I have one file. I open it. Okay. Now you see here the file Word document 2016. Now I put simply here HA means hectare. You consider as anything which we want. Hectare I consider as a hectare. Okay, or I wrote here or I write here per hectare means I want to give the superscript as a 1. Okay, now this value. Okay, okay, I want to give superscript like this and 1. Now how to give superscript and subscript, that's I show you. Okay, now you select it those you want to give to superscript, or you see here the font in home. You see here the x2 and x raised to 2. Okay, this x raised to means superscript and x2 means subscript. They type a very small letter just below the line of text. Okay, or this is the very small letter just above the line of text. These two we'll learn today. Okay, now I select it. Now simply click on it. Okay, you see here the superscript. Now next x2, I want x2. Okay, now you see here the x and 2. You select 2. You directly select from your keyboard also. You press shift and left arrow. You select it. Now they have a shortcut also. If x square means superscript, you put control. You see here directly control shift and plus. I press control shift and plus. Okay, sorry. How this happen here? x2 click 2 and give superscript. Okay, this is already in superscript. Okay, now you see here the x2 select shift and left arrow. I selected control shift plus. This is the superscript and I control Z, or I already selected control and plus. This is the subscript. These things we learn here only. Okay, anybody having any problem about the Microsoft Word, they may ask in comment. I will give solution of each and everything. Okay, if you like my video, you give to me one like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.